We go live on Facebook as well. All right. Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
Good
And a
morning.
very, very, very warm welcome once again to our morning empowering conversations. And just to quickly remind you, oops, wait a minute. Let me take care of that echoing business which is happening.
It's okay, sir. We are able to hear clearly.
No, I think we'll have to stop the live stream because some glitch with it. All right, anyways, good morning. Good,
Good
great.
morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, so let me quickly remind you that what is the purpose of our being together every morning is to make sure that we are not overwhelmed by all the negativity that surrounds us, which bombards us, right? On the contrary, we are going to bombard this reality with so much positivity, so much gratitude, so much of possibilities, that wonderful possibilities will show up for everybody on this planet. Okay. You can remind, and you know what, I'm not going to give it to you. You will find out that Ramindranath's famous poem and all read it, and we will actually visualize and dream that that is coming true.
So it was his birthday yesterday as well.
Yeah, maybe that's why I thought about him. He's there up there and he's telling me, hello, what happened to my dream? You know, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Today, the mind is full of fear, right? Are we going to be fearful? Are we going to allow those negative feelings to overpower us? I hope not. So we are the positivity warriors, and we will spread positivity, happiness, and cheer to everybody that we meet. Now, does it mean that we are not realists? We are. We know what's going on, but we refuse to be bogged down by it. If there is an atmosphere of doom and gloom, we refuse to add more, ghee to it. Ghee or oil or diesel, whatever, all are expensive anyway. Isn't it? So we will give out positivity, which is free. Like the air we breathe is free, it's still available, remember? And the water we drink is still available, even though we have to buy it. At least there's no black market in, water and air. So guys, have a lovely day today. And I want you to look at all that we have done in the last 24 sessions. And I'd like to hear from you, by being in this 24 sessions till now, what have you taken and what are you doing which is making your life different? Yes, Asina ji, go ahead. You'll have to unmute yourself and then speak.
I've got courage to live.
Beautiful. You've got the
Otherwise,
courage
I was
to
feeling
live.
hopeless.
Okay. So we've achieved something. I can pat myself on my back.
I
And
can't
you
hear
too.
you.
Oh, you have got a problem at your end. Everybody else is able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Never mind. So you can mute yourself. And Susan, you raised your hand. So please go ahead and share with us what positivity is doing for you.
So, sir, a lot of positivity and happiness. This energy to overcome all this bad news that comes from outside. Kind of, I'm able to ward it off. Then sending a lot of healing energy to people And I like
Uh-huh.
that 15 seconds thing very much. So what am I going to do in the next 15 seconds? So, it actually fires up my day if I do it that way.
Yeah. So you've actually started creating your day rather than living in your default manner. There's one automatic way of living, but you are creating it. Beautiful. Thank you very much for sharing it. Okay, who's next? What difference is it making? What we are doing every morning? Yes, Reddy Garo.
Good morning, everyone. I'm trying to come out of my default mode by attending these sessions and making myself aware about the present and everyday, sir. It's what my improvement.
Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Who else?
So I'll
Yes,
go.
Nitiji. Yes, of course.
Anji. First of all, sir, the default mode is mighty strong. Needs a lot of shaking up. And I think what is coming to my biggest aid is the meditation sessions that we are doing. That is really helping. But by God, the default mode is much deeper than I thought it to be.
Yeah. Slowly, it will get eroded. Okay,
As
very
long
good.
as you keep me on the track.
Yeah, but what difference is it making? No, already it's making some differences. No?
I am looking at things more positively, in the sense I am looking at things as they appear rather than as they appear in my mind, the default mode mind. So I am absorbing better, and I am much calmer and more composed.
Beautiful. And it is this little practice that we do for 45 minutes every morning, right?
Yeah,
And
that's becoming a habit now. It's becoming a habit.
exactly, if we can extend it throughout the day, can you imagine? Then you will be like a dynamo, brimming with energy, bursting with enthusiasm, bursting with the passion to be alive. How about that? So congratulations. Who's
Default
next?
mode को तो burst करूं.
वो तो बस्ट हो ही जाएगा. It cannot survive, ना? इतनी एनर्जी के सामने कैसे सर्वाइव करेगा? It's not possible.
That would
It's
be
like,
great.
yeah, but anything can stop a road roller.
No.
Unless, of course, you've got a mountain in front of you, so that we don't know.
वो भी ultimately तो mountain भी हट जाता है.
Exactly. थोड़े JCB लाने पड़ते हैं. All right, who's next? Thank you very much, Neeti, for sharing that. Monica, I've got to be here only till 8 o'clock, so let me hear some good news from you guys, so it make me feel happy. Is it worth investing my time in this? Shakti ji.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning.
For me, it's like awareness is created, sir. From default mode, I'm operating. It's like that awareness is there, but it's not achieved throughout the day. Now I reached it till afternoon. After afternoon, I'm going back to default mode. So sometimes I used to recall your videos, so that will help me. But still, I need to be there.
Yeah, but what difference is awareness is making in your life? That's what I want to know.
For me, I'm having that calm and peaceful. That is more
life of ease, joy, and glory. Wow,
yes.
Fantastic. Okay, who's next?
So I'll go.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. So first thing is like morning is again coming to your corrective mode, like this is what you have to do and follow in your life. So whether you get hurt, but still start doing it, because what used to happen with me, I used to restrict myself in terms of getting close to people or something. Now I do it. Let them hurt me, or let them don't respond. But okay, I'll do it, because my responsibility or my love inside for them is to do it. So let's do it, and let's leave the rest on God.
Okay, so what difference is it making to you by doing this?
It's allowing me to react in my own way, in a positive way. It is not restricting me. So that restriction and hesitation is going inside, from inside.
That's interesting. When the hesitation and restriction goes, then what do you become?
Allowance is there.
You become more confident. अरे बाबा, hesitation जाएगी तो confident हो जाओगे ना?
हाँ जी. Right.
So why don't you? Okay, very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, who else? One or two more people. Manasi, You are one of our new players. What difference is it making to you by being on these sessions every morning? Okay, in the meantime, anybody else who can unmute? Vishwas, you seem to have come for the first time. Very, very warm welcome to you.
Yeah, for me, every day, people, we are all the, positive people coming together. There is a energy generated, energy, positivity, and new directions to think on day-to-day life. So those are all the things which are keeping me to be
And how was your day yesterday? Was it an ordinary day or an extraordinary day?
extraordinary day.
Yeah, so tell us about it. No, what was extraordinary about that?
So I was, first of all, very positive and active, and there are two people who have been connecting and calling, giving birthday wishes. Uh, so I really, appreciated and enjoyed the relationship with so many people.
Yeah, and what about the most important thing that you are not mentioning? Somebody was being very, very different, no?
Yes.
That is the main thing that has happened.
Right.
So how does that feel when that somebody so important to you is so different? And very small thing you did, no?
Yeah, absolutely. That's beautiful. Very, very amazing. That my daughter really did so many things for me. She made cake. She played. We played also. We played cards yesterday. So it was.
So one of your point of view got destroyed, eh?
Yes, that's right.
So now you saw there's no need to go to those people anymore.
I know.
So simple.
So my own initiative, which was lacking, I suppose, but which
No, see, the point is when you get gripped by a negativity, then possibilities will never show up. You understand?
Exactly. Yeah.
Then we keep on getting influenced more and more by the circumstances and other people. And unfortunately, even those who are trying to help us, they end up putting us more into negativity.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. That's automatically negativity, gloom. But when I came out of it, and she also came out of it. Yeah.
Yes, congratulations. So simple example to everybody about how, you can harness the power of positivity.
Yes.
Very, very good morning to my dear wife who has also joined us, Okay, what else? Can I hear from somebody else? What difference is it making that you're coming every morning to this little session of ours? So one more sharing I'll take, and then we'll get on with something which I have in mind for you.
Yeah, earlier times I used to have this enthusiasm possibilities only on the Monday and Fridays. My wife used to ask me why you look so different today. Whatever I say, you are saying okay, possible. Now I become every day like that.
Okay. And what difference does that make?
I feel that I am handling mind and the life rather than it handles me.
Now that's a big one, right? You are in charge rather than the situation is in charge of you.
Even my calls, prospecting calls in cut increased. My report is very clean. Something I feel a lot of positive changes.
Okay, so it's given you a lot of stuff, even as far as your business is concerned.
Exactly.
Yeah, you know what? If you bring positivity, it impacts every area of your life. Job, this, that, everything. Congratulations,
Thank you,
Mitrivar.
sir.
All right, so now let's do a little exercise. And the exercise is everybody allow your body to be in a very relaxed state. Let go of all the things. Sit straight, sit comfortably. Do not cross your hands and legs. And just close your eyes and relax. Now breathe out completely. Like forcefully breathe out so that your stomach and your abdomen gets compressed. Push it out completely and hold for 3 or 4 seconds and inhale. Now do it one more time. Push it out completely and inhale. Push out your breath completely one more time. And inhale. Now, as you sit there comfortably, start breathing normally and naturally. And with every exhalation, allow yourself to be in a state of deeper and deeper relaxation. Now become aware of your thoughts. Whatever automatic thoughts are going on in your mind, you become aware of that. You don't have to change anything. You just have to be aware what is your mind saying right now. Just be with your thoughts and notice what your thoughts are doing. Now switch your attention to all the sounds that you can hear all around you. Whatever sounds are there, just listen to them. Now switch your attention back to your thoughts and become fully aware of your thoughts. Now switch your attention completely to both your feet and be fully aware of all the sensations that are happening in your feet right now. Now switch all your attention to both your hands, the palms of both hands, and become aware of what's happening in your hands. Now switch your attention to all the sounds that you can hear. Now switch your attention to your stomach and be aware of your sensations in your stomach. Now again, switch all your attention to your mind and all the thoughts that are going on inside of you. Now switch your attention to your chest and become aware of the rise and fall of your chest. Now switch your attention to your hands and become aware of all the sensation in your hand. Now switch your attention to your nostrils and become aware of your breath as it goes in and out of your nose and have your full attention on that. Now switch your attention to your feet and be fully aware of what's going on in your feet right now. Now open your eyes, look in the front, and put all your awareness behind you. You're looking in the front, but your awareness, you are putting it behind you and being aware what's going on behind you. Now turn your head and look to the right and put all your awareness to your left. Now look to your left and put all your awareness on the ceiling. Now look up at the ceiling and put all your attention on your feet. All your awareness on your feet. Now keep on looking up and put all your awareness on your hands. Now look straight ahead and put all your awareness into the full room. Become aware of the entire room. Now close your eyes and become aware of yourself in your body. Become aware of yourself permeating through the entire body structure, all the cells of the body. Imagine that you are like the air in the balloon and you're filling up this physical body of yours. And be fully aware that you are inside this body. Now let your awareness flow to your hands and to your arms. Now open your eyes and look at your hands. And as you're looking at your hands, put all your awareness on your feet. Now look at your feet and put all your awareness on your hands. Now close your eyes. Take a long deep breath. Let go and relax. Put both your hands on your diaphragm. Put both your hands on your diaphragm, solar plexus area. Open your mouth fully and say, ha! Okay, you can open your eyes now. Now, this wonderful exercise that you did is an exercise which is putting you in control of your awareness. See, generally what happens in life is that when we are reacting, consciously or unconsciously, our attention is pulled in different directions. So we lose focus and we lose energy because our awareness is unnecessarily being drawn and scattered all over the place. So can you imagine units of energy of yours getting pulled here and there and getting scattered? Isn't it better if it is all available to you in one place, in your control, and you decide where you want to put your attention on? So this is an exercise I would urge you, you practice it for 5-10 minutes every day. It's very easy to do on your own, but it puts your attention in your control. The more you have your attention in your control, the more you can choose what you want to do with your attention. When your attention is in your control, you will not allow it to go where you don't want it to go. You will not let your attention focus on negative things, I hope. Because would you like to focus on negative things? Of course not. But if unconsciously your attention is getting pulled over there, because we don't have any control over our attention. Okay, guys, remember that your attention belongs to you. And you will choose where you want to put your attention. Does that make sense to you? So let's have 1 or 2 people share your experience of this exercise before I say bye-bye to you for today, and you can carry on with the meeting even after I leave. So let's have a few people sharing about it. What was your experience of doing this exercise?
So when you asked us to look at the mind, it was going in the default mode and worried about some small things. For example, my laptop has been restarting from the morning, so I am going to come up or not. Even though I have mobile and I'm keep worrying about it, or some other small things which are basically distracting the focus and energy. And then when I the way you said, when the focus comes back, that goes away, but again it comes back. So I think over a period it completely goes away, I suppose. But at least I'm aware that the mind goes into this small distractions, and then when I pay attention, it comes back.
Yeah. So just remember, we need to train ourselves so that our attention is in our control. Today, who is controlling it? Everything and everybody other than ourselves.
Yes.
And we don't even know that that's happening. That's the worst part of it.
Correct. Today, my this thing is I'm aware that it is going there.
Yeah, and I can choose to put it wherever I want. The moment I see it's going in the wrong place, bring it back, put it where you want. Right? Great. Thank you very much for sharing that. Okay, who's next?
There is a funny, sorry, sir. There is a funny saying in Tamil.
Yeah, one person at a time, please.
Yes, sir. There is a funny saying in Tamil. They say they give a medicine and they say if you drink this medicine, you should not think about monkey. The moment he takes medicine, he gets only monkey thinking. So people are controlling us only by attention. If we take control by our attention, then everything is possible.
Okay, very good. But what was your experience of the exercise?
I'm getting control, sir. I'm able to concentrate other than my sight.
Okay.
So I will very shortly, the consciousness and awareness are something that controls us totally. And your exercise has made us realize that actually we are the one who can control our awareness through whatever methods, because it was, we never thought that we can look at our hand and we can think of it. We normally had an understanding that wherever we look, we go in, automatically we go into that particular thoughts, consciousness and awareness. So this is something the exercises taught us, that we can control our consciousness, awareness, irrespective what we are doing or irrespective what phase we are in.
Beautiful, beautiful. And you know something very funny? Many times you might have noticed that you're doing something and your attention should be there 100%. Actually, it is not. Some noise is happening somewhere, so half your attention has gone over there. Now, just like when we go to the gym and exercise our muscles, similarly, we can do this exercise to, get control over our awareness and get the power to put it where we want to put it. So thank you very much for sharing. Okay. Who else?
So, I'll go with Sandeep on this, that, many a times we don't focus on the things which are in front of us. Like you said, to look in the front. So you are not focusing on what you are, and your mind is working on behind things. So you are getting distracted again and again, which, you need to you need to say no. If you're looking in front, your focus and your concentration should be in front. So that is what, it helped me to realize that if whatever you're doing, your 100% should be there, along with your thoughts, physical presence, mental presence, both should be at one place.
Yes, and the exercise will help you to develop the capacity to be in charge of your attention. तो ज्यादातर हमारा जो ध्यान है ना, हमारे काबू में नहीं होता है. तो आपको मालूम है ना, मेडिटेशन को हम ध्यान क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि ध्यान हमारे हाथ में करने का तरीका होता है ना, जब हम ध्यान करते हैं. Okay, one more person I'd love to hear from. Hasina ji, you'd like to share with us your experience of this exercise? We are waiting for you to share your experience, Hasina ji.
As what we are talking about, that can't keep attention on what you're doing. Yesterday, I went to the kitchen and I was looking for a chair which I normally sit on. It was right there. And I was grumbling in my mind, I know who takes this chair away from her. So I went hunting for another chair just like the same. And I couldn't find that. And when I came back, I realized the chair was right there. So this
Very
is
nice.
not focusing.
Yeah, but what was your experience of the exercise which we did just now?
I haven't got anything in that sense.
No, you must have experienced something when you were doing it, no? You don't have to get anything.
No, I came little calm. Became little calm.
But you did the exercise?
Yes, of course, I did.
All right, very nice. Thank you very much. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I will leave this meeting now and you people carry on till the designated time. So have a wonderful day and have a wonderful 24 hours. Be positive, spread positivity, and I will see you tomorrow. You guys can carry on with the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a
Bye,
blissful
bye.
day, sir. Have a blissful
Thank
day.
you, thank you.
So if anybody else would like to share about the exercise, please go on. Shakti Reddy Garu.
This exercise we have done earlier also. Get what you want
Yes.
program. But I think we have to practice this because at that time I just only learned. Unless you practice, it will not help you. That's what my
Thank you.